Hi everybody. It's okay, I decided to record a video. I hadn't done so in quite a while, so I'm trying to record on my phone to see how well this works out, because I do want to do some tutorials and stuff. But let's see how this works. What I don't like is the glare, and I tried moving my light, but it's still kind of, I don't know. Okay, so what I have here is the November cards, tags, and more kit from Tres Jolie kits. And of course I'll put the information down below in the description box. But it might look like a small kit, but it does have plenty of supplies that you can reuse later. So first things first, here is the Kaisercraft rhinestones, self-adhesive rhinestones, 100 pack, and this is the dark green. These are pretty. I've used these a long time ago, but I do have some actually still, I think, different color. These here are the mini paper balloons by Kaisercraft. And this is a coconut color. And then you've got the fire red color. Pretty. Here you've got a Bow Bunny stamp, which comes with lots of stamps in them. This one is Joyful Christmas stamp. I love these banners. And the font is really pretty. Really pretty. I'm anxious to use this. And then we've got embossing folders. We've got, this one is the poinsettia. Very pretty. And then this one here is the snowflake scroll. They're from Doris. And then get to the, I mean, everything is great, but you know me for paper. So you've got here, this is etc. papers, and they are non-shed glitter cardstock, the winter, 10 sheets, 6x6, and the colors are red, emerald, dark blue, silver, and gold. I love glitter paper that does not shed. Look how pretty that is. And yeah, because I love glitter, but I hate using it for that reason, because then I end up with it all over myself, all over my pups. Don't ask me how they even get it, because they usually lay on that part of my craft room under over there. For some reason, they always get it on them, so I don't know what I'm doing. This is really pretty, that green one. The blue, and it's thick too. Gold and silver. Very pretty. Yeah, I'd use more glitter in my projects, but for that reason I don't. It usually ends up all over me. And but I do still use it. I mean, I still have some in my stash, some paper, glitter paper. Alright, here you get this 6x6 49 in Market Vintage Artistry Noel collection. Noel paper bag, should I say, not collection. So this comes with, and I showed this earlier, I did a video earlier, and so I had to redo it. Okay, so we've got this. It's the cover, but you can use the back. Look pretty gold. Then you get 3 papers of each design, which is really pretty. That's the back, that's the front, that's the front, that's the back. Very pretty. And it's thick paper too. Actually, you get 4. Thought it was, no, 3. Gosh, I can't count. Okay, and then you get this one. Wait, what am I doing? Did I mix them up? Sure did. Okay, so here, this is the front, and this one here is the back. And these papers are thick. That's what I love about 49 in Market papers, is that they are thick papers. Okay, then we've got, I kind of have them mixed up here. Then we've got this paper here, and this is the front, and this is the back. Pretty, pretty paper. And then this one here. This is the front. I love their prints. And the back. Yes. I actually ordered the 12 by 12 collection of this over at scrapbook.com, so I'm anxious to make something with that too when I do get it. I just ordered it last night, so because this, okay, so this one shows it last bit. This is the cutout sheet, but it's hard because then you've got this in the back. It's always hard when you have only one side to choose from, or you know. Anyhow, so yeah, this is the kit for November. This is the cards, tags, and more kit. And I'll put the link below to the other kits you can purchase as well, which is a mixed media kit. And I'll insert photos on here of the mixed media kit and the scrapbook kit for this month, because they are great kits as well. But this is a kit that I usually work with. I do usually order the other ones. I didn't get the mixed media kit for this month, but I did order the scrapbook kit from Kim, and so I'll be getting that next week. But I wanted to share this because I wanted to start a project tonight. Tonight is Halloween, and I don't know because of COVID if there's anything going on or not, but I know my grandkids did get dressed. My granddaughter, my 2-year-old granddaughter, Jaylene, she's actually a cat. Originally she was going to be a Peppa Pig with a Little Red Riding Hood Peppa Pig, but she did not want to put the hood on, nor, I don't know, nor the mask or something, my daughter said. So, and she loves Peppa Pig, which is surprising. And then my baby, the baby, Devin, she is a little bear, which she looks adorable. And she's like a white little bear. She's cute. And she's still little. She's only 6 months old, but she's cute. And my older grandson, Josiah, I think he's a Jedi. I think that's what my daughter said. And then my grandson, Aaron, she was not positive who he was going to be because he had 4 costumes to choose from, but he's with his dad tonight, so she would, hopefully I'll get a picture later. But yeah, tonight is Halloween. Hopefully we'll be in Colorado by next year. We'll be able to spend more time with them, and it's just my husband and I. My husband actually went to go get us something to eat, and that's it. So I just thought I would craft tonight and just watch something on Netflix or YouTube or something. But I hope that everyone has a safe night, a safe rest of your weekend, and I'm anxious to share with you what I create. And yeah, so if you have any questions, you can leave me down in the comment down below. If you have not subscribed, I hope you will, because I do hope, I plan on recording more videos. Hopefully I can get that done. Sometimes it's just easier for me to take pictures and do photo tutorials, only because I take so long to do my projects. Like, sometimes I just take a while, but I really want to get my YouTube going again. And yeah, so I hope you will subscribe. I'll put the rest of my social media links down below. I'm very active on Instagram also, so, and on all the other design teams that I'm on Scrap Perfect, which is a glue place. The glue's really good. and Photobella. So you can find me on my projects on their blogs as well. But okay, so stay tuned for my projects for Tres Jolie Kits, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a safe night. Bye.